What's up guys, Mike here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing how to jumpstart the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650. My battery is dead. And you're saying, what? Your battery is dead? You have power. Well, not enough to turn it on and turn it over. So oftentimes a lot of riders, including myself, will accidentally leave your accessories on, your lights or your power to the bike, and it will drain these little batteries as quick as 5 minutes or less. So you just got to be very careful about leaving your battery on and whatnot. So today we're going to review how to jump it, and let's get started. So step number one is to gain access to the battery. Obviously, you got to take off the seat and a couple other steps. And if you're not sure how to do that, check out this video right here. I go in depth on how to do that. So check that video out. So gain access to your battery. Gain access to something that has power. Could be a car battery, could be another bike. It could be a mobile charging kit that you're using or that you carry around in your garage or wherever. But you just want to gain access to something, obviously, that you can use to charge your bike. Step number three is to prepare the jumper cables onto the battery source. So, a lot of us already know how to do that, but let's go ahead and review it anyways. Black is ground or to a negative source, and red is to the positive power source. And then from there, you just want to connect it to the power source that has some juice in it. That way you can charge it. And then let it sit there for a couple of minutes. I know, however, because I've done this a number of times already, that my bike will be able to turn on pretty much very quickly after an initial jump. Oh, nope, never mind. So I'm gonna let it charge for a couple minutes and check the connection, make sure I have something sitting on there right. This looks like it could not be on there good enough for it to charge properly, so you want to adjust them, make sure that you have a good connection. Maybe it'll do that now. Nope, not yet. Still might have a weak connection somewhere. Maybe that'll do it. Nope. So I'm just gonna sit here and let it charge for a couple minutes, and hopefully it will get some juice. All right, so I've let the bike sit here for a couple minutes. Let's see if this baby will turn on. Great. So it has enough power. I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes with the battery on, a couple more minutes, and hopefully it shouldn't have any more battery issues. A couple of side notes, there are specific motorcycle jumping cables that you can buy and use. I don't have those because I don't make enough of that YouTube money yet, but they do exist and you can find them out there. So you might want to get those for the future instead if you don't like using the bigger grip jumper cable. All right, so that's how you jump the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Works for the entire generation of bikes and the newer generations. It also works for almost every other bike because this is a pretty universal setup and situation that almost all motorcycles and or cars have. So thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I will be posting more videos on the bike and how to take care of it, maintain it, and fix certain things on the bike. So subscribe to get that future content, get updates on the bike and the project that I'm working on. And thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your day. Peace.